Hello, my name is Peter, and today we'll work on this smaller version of a face mask ear saver. This one is made with a single crochets, and at the beginning we chain only 21 chains. So as you can see, here is the bigger version from the previous video, and in the size there is quite a big difference. So for the bigger ear saver, I will put a link to the video into the description below this video. So today we'll work on this smaller one, and I hope you'll enjoy this video. We will start with a slip knot, and now we will chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Into the second chain from a hook, so 1, 2, into the second chain, we will work 2 single crochets. 1, 2. We will work 1 single crochet in each of the next 18 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Into the last chain, you will work 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. We will work over this tail. So in each chain on this side we will work 18 single crochets. So we'll go into the chain and work a single crochet. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 1 single crochet into the chain that we worked first 2 single crochets, and we will slip stitch into the first single crochet that we made in this round. Okay. Now we start our final round. We'll chain 1 into the same stitch. We'll work 1 single crochet. Into the next stitch 2 single crochets. 1 and 2. Now I'll work 1 single crochet in each of the next 18 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We'll work 2 single crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. So 1, 2 into the next stitch, 3, 4 into the next stitch, 5 and 6. 1 single crochet in each of the next 18 stitches. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Into the next stitch we'll work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2. So we started with 1 single crochet and we'll work into the same stitch that we started from, 1 more single crochet, and then slip stitch into the first single crochet of this round. Now we can chain 1 and cut our yarn. This is our tail that we worked. Yeah. Now we'll just hide this tail. Okay. Now we need to attach our 2 buttons. I'll cut a piece of yarn and I will take my first button and sew it on. Okay, this is it. Now we'll hide this. One tail and the other. cut this off. The first button is on. Now the second button, again another piece of yarn. Put our yarn on a needle. Put our next button on, like that. One more time. Again, I will tie a knot. Hide these tails. One way, back again. The second one. And we are done with our ear saver. So as I said, this is a much smaller version than the bigger one. So, and on my experience, the people want more these small ones than the bigger. Okay, so hope you like this short tutorial on how to work on this small face mask ear saver, and hope to see you in my next video. So until then, enjoy your crocheting and be safe.